Today I'm going to be showing you how to make those wild mulberry cheesecake bars. Alright, to make the crust of the mulberry cheesecake bars, what you're going to do is you're going to take 2 sleeves of graham cracker and blend them up until they're a nice fine substance. You're going to add a half cup of butter, 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla, then you're going to mix it until it's all incorporated. Then you're going to pour it in your pan and make it look like so. For the first part of the filling, you're going to have 3 8-ounce bars of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, and another teaspoon of some vanilla extract. And then you're going to beat that together. As you're mixing, you're going to beat in 1 egg at a time until you reach 4 eggs. And then you're going to add a half cup of sour cream. Alright, we're going to add the cream cheese filling to the crust. Smooth it out. Pop it in the oven. 45 minutes. You're going to get 4 cups of mulberries. Don't forget to wash them. And then add them to the saucepan. Add 1 cup of sugar and a 1/4 cup of water to the saucepan with the berries and let simmer for 5 minutes. After the 4 or 5 minutes is up for the berries, you're going to add a little bit of water with 2 tablespoons of cornstarch into it and then let simmer for another minute. You're going to remove it from the heat, and then when the cheesecake is done baking, you're going to take it out and then put this on the top. Yes!